Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where black and white screen appears in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the most probable two reasons are color filters and color themes. Let me show you what happens. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to accessibility, go to color filters. If it is on, suddenly the screen will become black and white. So make sure that we switch off the color filters. Okay. Now once this is done, the next thing is that you have to disable contrast themes as well. So go to personalization tab and then select themes, select contrast themes, make sure it's selected at none. Okay. And obviously the last one is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager, open the device manager, expand the list for display adapters, right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.